Akiko Iwahashi from Japan. The reason I attend this course is I have a lot of patients who wants to go for the procedure of labiaplasty and vaginal tightening surgery. I always seeking the best way to better result for them. In this course, many teachers from different countries tell us a lot about their techniques precisely, and it was just amazing. This experience it's very important for me, and I've learned a lot. And thank you so much for everything you've done.
My name is Hanjing Lee from Singapore. I came to attend this course under Dr. Eserdağ, and in this course we learned a lot about labiaplasty, pudoplasty, vaginoplasty, and non-invasive techniques, including PRP, SVF, as well as filler injections, and also fat grafting. And through this course you will learn a lot from him in this 4 days intensive course.
Hello, my name is Dr. Georgi Amaliev from Bulgaria, and it's my first attendance in a course like this. And I think that things that I have learned here will be very useful for my practice and for my patient. I would like to thank all the organizers of the event, and especially for the professors and other organization staff. Thank you.